Like a carpenter needs a hammer and chisel, we need reliable tools to make sure that the job gets done. And this tool stands amongst the crowd, fitting every need on set and out. There's few brands that I trust with my work, but when I heard Caleb Pike and SmallRig came together, I knew they were going to make something great, but I wasn't expecting this. Okay, now that I got that intro out of my system, let's slow down and actually talk about this battery. When you get the battery, it comes with a couple of instructions, the actual battery, and the charging cable with a premium leather strap. The whole experience from the unboxing felt like opening up like a fresh new iPhone. This battery has a lot going on when it comes to features. Inside of the battery, it has an intelligent BMS chip that supports fast charging. It also has high capacity batteries that will last a long time. And it also has a sleek design, and you guys know how I feel about that. The whole battery is made of aluminum, and it has a silicone coating inside that makes it drop proof and heat resistant. So you know if you drop it, it won't explode on you. This is my favorite part about the battery. It has multiple inputs and outputs, but we'll cover that in a little bit. The screen on the front is scratch resistant, and the display on the front of it shows you what's going in, what's going out, and how much juice you have left in the battery. It's pretty nice. And if you have those cheaper V-mount batteries with the button on the side that just gives you the little lights, you won't feel that anxiety anymore with this battery, I promise. Just from those features, you can tell how much work they put into a simple V-mount battery. So this is where this battery really stands out to me. So I've been using a cheaper V-mount battery for the last couple years, and it only had 2 D-taps on the side. So I had to purchase an entire different V-mount plate that I would attach, and it would have all the outputs that I needed. But with this battery, all the outputs that I need are built right on the top, and it's just so easy to just connect them right there and have a lighter rig. So not only does this battery work as a V-mount, but it also doubles as a power brick. With the top attachments, you can connect your Switch, your phone, you can charge your laptop, whatever you need to charge, it's all in one place. Now that we're talking about power, this V-mount battery charges from 0 to 100 in 2.5 hours. And if you've used a V-mount before, you know those things take forever to charge, and 212 watts in 2.5 hours is insanely fast. So 2.5 hours of charging for 8 hours plus of juice on your rig, depending how you have it set up, is a pretty nice trade-off in my opinion. And gone are the days of using that huge V-mount charger. Now you just connect it with the USB-C and you're good to go. If you already have a V-mount, you already know how annoying it is to like see how much juice is inside. You click that button, you see a couple bars, and then you're just left there guessing. Not with this bad boy. You have all the information right on the screen. You can see what's putting juice in, what's taking juice out, and how many hours you have left on the battery. So those anxieties are gone. Oh, and you could also charge the battery while you're using it. Come on. This is honestly the toughest part. So before I went to sing praises about this battery, I made sure to go do my homework, and I was only able to find 2 batteries that were close to this, and both of them were 98 watt hour, only had 1 D-tap, 1 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and 1 DC 5 volt adapter. So this battery not only doubles the juice, but it gives you every connectivity that you need. And then I went ahead and compared those to the 99 watt hour from SmallRig as well. And SmallRigs are cheaper, and they also have all the extra connectivity that you'll need. For the price of $439, you're getting an endgame piece of equipment that's going to be with you for a long time. And now let's talk about the cons. I'm not going to lie to you, this product made it so hard to find cons because it's so well thought out, but the 2 cons that I could think of were the weight. It's sitting around 2 pounds, and the second con is around the size of it. It's around 3 inches in length, but this is a lot of juice, and you can't pack all that juice into something smaller than that shape. So these cons are just personal preference at the end of the day. So if they could fit this amount of juice into something smaller, that would be nuts. But everything around this battery is just impeccable. So would I recommend this battery? I would 100% say yes. It's going to give you every output you need. You could power your lights, you could charge your phone, and it's going to give you peace of mind. But if this battery is outside of your price range, just get the 99 watt hours. They're small, they have similar outputs, and you're going to have the same peace of mind. So yeah, if you guys learned something, please make sure to subscribe, and thank you SmallRig for sending me this out to review, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.